In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist to organize your tasks like a pro. Whether you're juggling work, school, or personal commitments, having a system in place to manage your tasks can make all the difference. Let's dive right in and set up your Todoist account. First things first, you need to download the Todoist app on your phone or desktop, or if you prefer, you can simply use the web version. It's designed to be versatile, so you have the flexibility to access your tasks from anywhere. Once you've got the app or website ready, go ahead and sign up. You can use your email or a Google account, whichever is more convenient for you. Now that you're all set up, it's time to create and manage your projects. Click on Add Project to start categorizing tasks. You might have projects like work, personal, or school. This step is about separating your tasks into different areas of your life to make them more manageable. To add a visual cue to your organization, use color codes. These colors not only help in differentiating between projects, but also make your to-do list visually appealing. If you have a large project, don't worry. You can create sub-projects to break it down further. This way you're detailing your organization structure and making each project easier to tackle. Next, we move on to adding and prioritizing your tasks. Tap on Add Task and jot down what you need to accomplish. It's important to be clear and concise about what the task entails. After listing your tasks, set due dates and add recurring reminders if necessary. This helps you stay on track and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. You can also assign priority levels from P1 to P4 to mark the importance of each task. Priority levels are crucial because they help you focus on what's urgent and important, ensuring that you're always working on the right task at the right time. After setting up your tasks, you can enhance your organization by using labels and filters. Create custom labels to group similar tasks across different projects. For example, you can use labels like @urgent or @phone call. With labels, you can easily see the types of tasks you have at a glance. Filters are another powerful feature, allowing you to view tasks that match specific criteria, such as at work and today. This enables you to concentrate on tasks pertinent to what you are working on at the moment. Finally, let's talk about reminders and notifications. Todoist allows you to receive notifications via mobile, desktop, or email, ensuring that you never miss an important deadline. Whether you're on the go or at your desk, these reminders keep you informed and timely. By following these steps and utilizing Todoist's robust features, you can streamline your tasks and organize your life like a true professional. Happy organizing!